Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing the Bitcoin prices in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems. As part of that, today also we have three charts in the front of us. First is 1 hourly, second is 4 hourly, and third is a daily chart. These two moving averages are 250 moving averages, and the same is in the 4 hourly as well. Also, from the 1 hourly chart, we could clearly see that there is a small trend line which has formed that is offering a sign of a support to the Bitcoin. From the 4 hourly, we could see that the death crossover has just now happened. I'm expecting that this kind of a consolidation to continue without a major sell-off if there are no fresh global bad news coming over the weekend. Yeah. So from the 1 day chart, it is in a 5 super trend is offering a kind of a good support. So the prices are hovering around this level, but note here that the prices are trading around below the 50 moving average. That is not a very good sign for the bulls, but the stochastic crossover is trying to go up. So this is a green side, and I'm expecting that there is not a huge downfall is going to come over this weekend, if there are no fresh bad news is coming from the global front. So from this stochastic and from the news side, if there is, and then global markets are all shut down for the Easter break. Now I'm not expecting any major sell-off to be coming in. So the Bitcoin prices may either go sideways, for this whole weekend. If you could see the Camarilla pivot point of view, it took a couple of supports at S4 level, and yesterday, since the global market space sell off, the prices went down, but still haven't broken this S4 level. So I'm expecting that this S4 level to be hold for some more time. Even if the markets, with some bad news, if it breaks this S4 level, it will come back to around this S4 level and may eventually continue trade around the same level, for almost next 3 days. That means that till the Easter break is done, till the global markets are open, this market in Bitcoin market may be eventually going sideways actually. And from the Fibonacci retracement system point of view, so it's at the moment trading between the 0.5 50% to 61.8% retracement level. These two are crucial levels, so I'm expecting that if, the consolidation to continue as such. So from the support and resistance points and the trend line point of view, this is a support band which has offered already a good support, and it still seems to be offering a good support. Even this particular trend line looks like I have been telling in the last two videos that this trend line is going to offer a kind of a pretty decent support, and that's exactly what is happening now. So this particular trend line is offering multiple supports at the moment for the Bitcoin prices. So if we could see the EMA ribbon point of view, so this EMA ribbon we have been seeing, like it's trying to, so every EMA will act as a resistance. So one of the EMAs looks like it acts as a resistance, and then the prices went down. But the good news is now the markets are retracing back towards this EMAs, but there is nothing to be joyful for the bulls actually till this 233 EMA level is taken out comfortably with the good volume. Now until then, this kind of consolidation or the bear consolidation with the bearish bias will continue. Okay, and from the weekly point of view, so 1 2 3 4 5, this particular trend line is offering almost 5 strong supports, and this I'm expecting that this trend line will be respected again, even if the Bitcoin prices by any chance coming up to this level. Yeah, if not, and the prices may go for a consolidation. From the global markets front, what we are seeing is that yesterday the global markets are all closed today because it's a Good Friday. So that's why the markets are all closed. So yesterday it all went in a negative. So see this called as a morubo. So if you remember if you know you know the candlestick patterns, right from the start till the end, keep on Nasdaq has been it has been keep on sold, and it's certainly not a good news for the bulls. And also it closed at the day's low, and by any chance, if this height is not taken out next few days, this bearish sentiment will eventually continue. That's what this particular candle is saying. And from the S&P 500 as well, there is a strong bearish candle, and that's what triggered the sell off in Bitcoin as well. If you could see the options open interest point of view, so this is the 16th April options open interest. So this may be for the very advanced traders, but this will give us a clue that where the prices are heading towards in the very short term. So this 41,000 seems to be having a kind of a good support, but at the moment the Bitcoin trading is trading around 40,200 level. That means that there is a kind of slight bullish sentiment is still there for the next 1 or 2 days, but 42,000 is a very very strong resistance. So since the call and put options are almost having a clear decent proportion here, so the Bitcoin prices may be hovering around the same level for some more time. Yeah, and that's all for the video today. Where do you think that the Bitcoin prices are heading towards? Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.